Login loop error on Capify Fix. If you're stuck in a login loop on Capify, where you keep entering your credentials only to be bounced right back to the login page, you're definitely not alone. This issue frustrates many business owners, but most people get the fix wrong. Here's the surprising truth: it's rarely Capify servers. The real culprit is usually cached data, expired tokens, or browser interference. Let's go over the steps to fix it quickly. Start by closing the Capify app or browser tab completely. If you're on mobile, go to Settings, Open Apps, find Capify, and select Force Stop. On iPhone, swipe the app away from your recent apps. Next, clear the cache. For Android, go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This resets the stored login data. Now, check that you're using the latest version of Capify. Head to the App Store or Google Play and look for updates. Outdated versions can cause authentication mismatches that led to login loops. If you're using Capify on a web browser, clear your cookies and cache files there as well. Old cookies can store expired session tokens, and when they conflict with new ones, the login process gets stuck. Still facing the issue? Switch your internet connection. Try logging in using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Some business or public networks block secure redirect links needed for login validation. Another pro tip: disable any autofill or password manager tools for one login attempt. Sometimes these tools paste outdated credentials that confuse the system. Manually entering your username and password ensures clean input. Once you've done all this, restart your phone or computer and try logging in again. Most users find that the issue disappears after this simple reset. So, if your Capify login keeps looping, remember it's not your account that's broken. It's just old data getting in the way. Clear it, refresh your session, and you'll be back to managing your Capify business financing in seconds.